it's me, Nicole, and today, if you don't know what we're doing, we have a whole bag of squishies in this. Yeah, I think these two are the cutest. Here's this one, and here's this one. These squishies are the cutest. And this bag is nothing. This is nothing. Okay, oh my god, I'm finding all sorts of my stuff in here. Okay, let's get started. The first squishy I have got in the whole entire life was, you guys want to see the squishy I first got when I was about 5 years old? This is a squishy I got when I was 5 years old. That's why it's like a little ripped. So here's the squishy. And I don't know how many squishies there is, but we're going to be counting them. And we have this list. Let me go get it. We have this little piece of paper I just ripped off. So let's count it like 1. You put 1 right there. Unless this is the squishy. This cat is in this mug. Next squishy. The next squishy that I got is this little panda. It's this little cute panda. Let's write 2. Next squishy. We have this little cute little turtle. It's squishy in its head. That's that squishy. Let's just put it back in this bag. And it has a keychain we can hang on my backpack, but I'm afraid people will steal my squishies on my backpack because people love squishies. So I don't want them stealing it. I just don't want to look cool, but I don't want to lose these from other people. Next squishy. Like, look, I found this. Easter, not even Easter today. Lip balm. Okay, the next squishy I had was this little panda. It's so cute. It is slow rising. It's fast and slow. Let's put that in the other bucket. Let's write 4. Okay. Next squishy is this little fellow. Let's take it out of the bag. And I put it, well, you can put keychains if you want on them. Some are broken. But I put squishy on this. Keychain on this. Slow rise. And then let's write 5. Let's put that in the bucket. Oh, I forgot to put the bag on. This is the, I think, cutest squishy I have right now. Or is it the cat? I don't know. It's one of those. They're really cute. Okay. Let's write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next squishy. And why is there money in here? Why is there a Costa Metal thing? A Costa Metal. That's my school. You guys don't know. And why is it in there? Next squishy is this squishy. It's like this little dessert. It's slow rise. Okay. That's squishy. It's really soft. Let's put this in the bag. This is like the softest one, I think. Let's feel the other ones and we'll choose which one's the softest one for this one. Yeah. Let's put this in the bucket. This is just a broken piece of the ice cream. So let's just think this is a piece of bread. We're not going to be counting this. This is actually going to go in the garbage. Next is this squishy I got from Las Vegas. And this is a keychain it had. Well, you can hang this on your backpack, but I don't want to. Because people could steal it. And I don't want people doing that. Next squishy. It's a loaf of bread. That's really soft. It's really soft. I think it's softer than the other one. 3, 2, 1. That's really squishy. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Let's put this back in. I think this is going to be like the softest one. Next squishy is this heart-shaped donut. Oh my god, this sprinkle's about to come off. I don't want it coming off. If I pull on it, it's gonna come off. But I love the shape. I love the sprinkles. It feels so cool. I feel so like pokey. Next. Wait, did this come with a bag? Oh, yeah. Let's put this back in there. Let's write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. And next squishy is this Chinese sweet cake. Oh, geez, that's so rice. Oh, I think. Because I felt the slow. Oh, so sticky. Look how slow rise it is. This is the softest. I choose this is the softest. I wish you guys can feel this. It feels so good. I might do a giveaway. I might do a giveaway on, let's see. I might do a giveaway on this. Nine. Okay. Next squishy is this little banana.
Need any water?
It's green on the top and the bottom, yellow in the middle. Oh, it's sticky. Oh, I wish you guys could feel it. I might do a giveaway on this. The best ones might do a giveaway. Some are gonna do a giveaway, I think. I don't know, I think so. That's like I think this is the bestest one. I think so. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's write 10 here. Okay, next is this. This squishy got water in it, Now it's not even squishy anymore. Ha! It's not a squishy at all. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. I think this is the cutest one. Sorry. This is so soft. I can already feel it. This is soft. This is like the softest. No, this is the squishiest. I don't know. Let's write 11 on here. Wait, let's put that in there. 11. Next squishy is this cute little pig. Sorry guys, I might have got a cold from I have this trampoline and it's really cold outside and windy, and I was just like playing on the trampoline, and then I probably got sick because when you jump up, wind comes on you. When it's really windy, it's gonna be even worse. Okay, here's the piggy. Look at his nose. Oh, I might do a giveaway on this. Let's put it back in the bag. I have no idea why I had that big piece. Let's write 12. Oh, I forgot to put in there 12. This little cute mushroom that's kind of like a cat. Ooh. Okay, here it is. Look, it's so cool. I don't have a mushroom bottom. Look. So cute. Okay, let's put it back in the bag. Let's write 13 on here. 13 already. Technically, right now I have 13, but this is how many more I have. That's a lot. 13. This is like the cutest, I think. This is for sure. There's a squishy that's the worst. I might throw it in the trash. No, actually I don't. I want to. Guys, this is so soft. I'm gonna do a giveaway on this. If you want me to do a giveaway on this, you don't need to pay. You just have to. All you have to do is subscribe, turn the bell, and give it a thumbs up. That's all. If you can't do the bell and the subscribing, then just do the like. If you can't do the subscribing, this is it. I'm gonna do all of those that I said, a giveaway only if you give it a subscribe, bell, and thumbs up. That's the only way I can give it to you. Sorry. Whoop. Just stopped it. Okay. I think my nose is bleeding right now on the inside. Okay, let's write 14. Next squishy is this squishy. I'm not going to do a giveaway because it's a little hard. And I'm not going to throw it on trash. But I just want to look at it, just feel the soft bread. And it's cute. And stretch it, squeeze it. It's really cute. Let's write 15. Oh my god, there's still